Welcome. In today's video, we're going to cover a straightforward process: how to delete a conversation on the Messenger app using your PC. If you're looking to tidy up your chat list or remove old conversations, this update makes it easier than ever. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. Make sure you're using the latest version so you have access to all the new features and updates. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Next, scroll through your conversations to find the one you want to delete. It might be an old chat that's no longer relevant, or just something you want to clean up. Once you spot the conversation, you're ready for the next step. Now, right-click on the conversation. This will bring up a menu with several options. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your chats without any hassle. From the menu that appears, select Delete Conversation. A confirmation box will pop up to ensure you really want to go through with this. It's important to double-check because deleting a conversation is permanent. You won't be able to recover it later. Once you're sure, click on Delete. And just like that, the conversation will be removed from your chat list. It's a quick and easy way to keep your Messenger tidy and organized. To recap the steps: first, open the Messenger app on your PC. Then, find the conversation you wish to delete. Right-click it, select Delete Conversation, and finally, click Delete. It's as straightforward as that. Deleting conversations can help you maintain focus and clarity, especially if you're juggling multiple chats. So, don't hesitate to tidy up your Messenger whenever you need to.